I am 730, and today y'all are joining me on the last part of my haul, man. I'm tired of going to search for bullets, man. I'm gonna try this spot again, this academy. Hopefully I get some good stuff. First time, had a nice little haul. Second time, it was a failure. I only got 2 boxes, and one was personal defense. This time I'm hoping to score the mother load. At least let me get 1 or 2 500 round boxes. If I do that, I'll be happy. I'll be satisfied. But I'll get back to you in a second. I'm pulling up. Let's see how many people are in line. I'm 5 minutes earlier than I was the last time. So hopefully, god dang. So it's a crap ton of people already here. There's already a crap ton of people here, man. Oh, freaking gosh, it's really a crap ton of people. Shit, they must know something I didn't know. Let me see what happens though. Yeah, they must know something I didn't know. There's too many people out here already. Yeah, they knew something I didn't. Yeah, man, I think I just came out good on my haul today. Didn't find any range ammo. Man, it was a crap ton of people. They all bought all the ammo, the range ammo before I got there. So I ended up just getting a few boxes of hollow points. Finally found 300 blackout. That was great. So got 300 blackout, 9, and a couple boxes for my AR-47. And that's it, man. I'll get back to the house. I'll gather up my entire haul and show you what I got. All right. Yeah, man, I'm back. This is my little haul I got for this last week or so, man. Taking trips to Academy. First, got this. We're gonna start from the smallest to the largest. First, we got this Sierra 9mm, 124 grain hollow points. Never heard of them, so I only bought 1 box of those. Next, we have these Hornady Black 9mm, 115 grain. Got 1, 2, 3 boxes of those. Okay, now, you know, I don't know if y'all know, but I'm very, very interested in the AK-74, and hopefully Palmetto State Armory comes back in stock with one, because I'm real interested. But yeah, we got these 60 grain AR-74 bullets. I got 6 boxes of that. Also, I got steel case on this Fiocchi. These are 124 grain, 7.62 by 39. And I got 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 boxes of this. So put all 7 boxes of that. Then, you know, you gotta have the 9mm, man. First, I have Blazer, have the 115 grain of those, and I have 4 boxes of that. 4 boxes of the Blazer. But that one's 119. Also have, what's this? Oh, shots, they're not even saying. Well, I got 2 boxes of 115 grain. 2 boxes of the 115 grain. Then I have 2 boxes of 147 grain. Okay. Got 1 box of Winchester 115 grain for the 9mm. Got 3 boxes of this Aguila. This is the Mexican ammo. These are 124 grain. Got 3 boxes of that. Then, you know, got the Federal. And all these are 115 grain. And I got 4 boxes of that. 4 boxes of the Federal. 115 grain. Then have these 123 grain, 7.62 by 39. These are AK bullets I got. And these are all 100 packs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 boxes of that. And last but not least, this is the most disappointing part of my haul. 300 Blackout. Got 2 boxes of 125 grain. If anybody out there knows, man, where I can find more 300 Blackout, preferably subs, please let me know down in the comments, man. I'm hurting, man. I really been wanting to shoot my 300 Blackout, man. I'm hurting. You hear me? I'm hurting. I want to shoot my 300 Blackout. Please let me know down in the comments if y'all know anywhere I can get some subs, man. 300 Blackout subs. All right, man. I'm checking out, man. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, I'm just a guy who likes guns. Tuned into another episode of Ammo Wars. Let me see how many people out here today. Don't look like it's the line too long. Let me hit this corner though. Oh no, it's a little long. It's a little long. Yeah, man. Ammo Wars, man. We up, baby. Ammo Wars. Gotta make sure we get that ammo, man. You don't know what's coming. Not really that many people though. Less people than it normally is. Came up short this morning. Few minutes too late. But my defense, they didn't really have the stuff that they normally have. Like they didn't have any 500 round cases or anything. I just had a small joint, so this is what I end up getting. Boom and boom. Hornady Black for my 9. And Fiocchi, if I'm not mistaken. These are brass though for my AR-47. This is brass. So ultimately today came up short. I lost this episode of Ammo Wars.